Installing Echo is very easy. First, locate the vehicle battery under the hood. If necessary, get a wrench to slightly unscrew the battery bolts. Open Echo with a screwdriver to connect its internal battery. The side with visible pins to face the sky. You are now ready to install Echo. Slightly unscrew the bolts of both poles. Pay attention not to touch the battery ground with the red wire and the positive pole with the black wire. Connect the red wire to the battery positive pole and screw it tightly. And then repeat with the black wire to the negative pole. Check that both LEDs are blinking every 1 second. It means that Echo is functioning correctly. Peel the sticker and firmly attach Echo on the battery top. Locate the OBD port inside your vehicle and plug the OBDII dongle. That's it. You're done.